Common traits of idiots. What makes someone an idiot? Definition of idiots: Idiots refers to people who display a lack of intelligence, common sense, and critical thinking skills, causing them to act in a foolish or irrational manner. This can include individuals who make poor decisions, act selfishly, or lack empathy and consideration for others. The term is not meant to be used in a derogatory or insulting manner, but rather as a way to describe a specific type of behavior. Common traits of idiots: someone is considered an idiot based on their actions and behavior, rather than a lack of intelligence or knowledge. Some common characteristics of idiots include lack of critical thinking skills. They act impulsively and make decisions without considering the consequences. Self-centeredness. They prioritize their own wants and needs above those of others, causing harm to others or creating conflict. Poor judgment. They make poor decisions based on misinformation, biased opinions, or a lack of consideration for others. Unreasonable behavior. They act in a way that is irrational, inconsistent, or uncooperative, causing difficulties in relationships or at work. Lack of empathy. They fail to understand the emotions and perspectives of others, leading to a disregard for their well-being. Ignorance. They exhibit a lack of knowledge or understanding in certain areas, causing them to make incorrect assumptions or have misguided beliefs. Arrogance. They display a sense of superiority or entitlement, leading them to dismiss the opinions and feelings of others. Inconsistency. They act one way in one situation, and then differently in another, making it difficult for others to understand or trust them. Lack of responsibility. They avoid taking responsibility for their actions and fail to acknowledge their mistakes, causing harm to themselves and others. Inflexibility. They are unwilling to change their opinions or beliefs, even in the face of evidence to the contrary, causing conflict and difficulties in relationships. Insensitivity. They lack the ability to understand or appreciate the feelings of others, causing hurt or harm in their interactions with others. Inability to compromise. They are rigid in their thinking and unwilling to find common ground, causing conflict in relationships and at work. Lack of accountability. They fail to follow through on commitments and avoid taking responsibility for their actions, causing frustration and disappointment for others. Narrow-mindedness. They have a limited perspective and are unwilling to consider different viewpoints, leading to a lack of understanding and empathy. Inability to learn from past experiences. They repeat the same mistakes and fail to learn from their experiences, causing ongoing difficulties in their personal and professional lives. These traits, when displayed consistently and negatively, can lead to someone being considered an idiot. However, it is important to remember that people can grow and change, and these behaviors are not permanent or defining. By understanding what makes someone an idiot, we can better cope with these individuals and find ways to overcome their negative impact in our lives.